Hello, in this video, we are going to look into how you can create your own Woffice demo site in less than a minute. To begin with, first access the woffice.io website, which is this. Next, click on the demos link. Scroll down to where we have the Take a Live Experience button link and click on it. As we launch a new portal, as can be seen within the link here. Next, fill in your name and email. So I'll write Steve at extendify.com. We will then need to click on the launch your site button. Give it a few seconds. You can now see that the demo site is now launched. You can try and interact with the various sections within the demo to see how it works. Thank you.